Hey, EXP team, how we all doing? Things are going awesome over here at the Mogul neck of the woods. We're growing. We've had a whole bunch of new teammates join in the last month, so welcome to you guys. And huge news, we have had 3 of our agents hit icon in this last month, and there should be a couple more this summer. Spoiler alert, they're coming in hot. So we've got a great group. Everybody's being super successful. I know that the most stressful thing we're dealing with right now is that the market is shifting. And that means a lot of people want to wait and see. Buyers' expectations are not in alignment with seller expectations. It's a lot to work with. So there's a training session here that you can look at specifically on what to do with your buyers who want to wait and see, because we do not want to have a lull in production. Number 2, I'm including a open conversation that I had with Eric and Adrian about hitting icon. It's a big deal. So it's a nice chat about what top producers got to do to produce. I hope you guys enjoy it. And we will be releasing our second half of the year training schedule for all the agents right away, so that starting in July, you can enjoy all of the special training that we do. As well, if you have any suggestions or requests for topics, let me know, because I'm putting together the training soon. Thanks, everybody.